Having millions views on your Facebook page doesn't mean that you are going to earn much. I'm going to explain what you have to do to get paid more on your Facebook page. So you might be having millions of views and still earn less with your Facebook page. Here is the reason why. Facebook is unlike YouTube, where your every views count. On Facebook, it's different because on Facebook they combine all the views that you got on your Facebook. They combine your story views, your post views, photos views, and also your reels, including your videos views. So they combine all the views and then they calculate them here. And remember, guys, you don't earn from every view on your Facebook page. So I'll be telling you what will make you earn more with your Facebook page. Earning more doesn't have anything to do with views when it comes to Facebook, unlike YouTube. That is why on YouTube, when you have millions of views on your YouTube, you get paid more, unlike Facebook, where you can get millions of views and still earn less than 500 USD, and sometimes you can get millions views and still earn below 20 USD. So having more views on your Facebook page doesn't mean anything. So let me tell you how you can get your Facebook to earn more. So remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are not left behind whenever I upload my videos. Those who have been with me from early this year, they know I've uploaded videos where I've showed people how they can get monetized, and I've also explained that in-stream ads has changed. Now there's content monetization. So I've explained how you can submit your content monetization form if you are not yet monetized. So I'll make sure that I put the link of those videos below to this video so that you can, and also with the titles, so you can also check the description of this video to find more useful videos. So back to the topic, guys. If you want to increase your earnings on your Facebook page, do this. Don't focus on views, focus on your engagement. Facebook pays more when people are engaging on your Facebook page. So make sure that you get people to engage on your comment. It is so important for you to ask questions when you are doing your videos so that people can comment on your videos, and make sure that you reply to your comments so that Facebook algorithm can also suggest your post to more people or your video. Okay, so let's check my views. You see here I've got 1,500,000 views. So here, guys, if you can check, I've also got 380,000 3-second videos. And on the right side, I hope you can see this, guys. On my right side, I have 110 1-minute views. These views are for my videos, guys. I post a lot of videos on my Facebook page. As you can see here, the numbers of times your videos are played at least 1 minute. So here they are showing which content that got me a lot of viewers. So number one, it's multi photos. It's the one that is ranked number one on my page, and then the second one it's reels, third one videos, number four, and then text, photos, and then the last one is links. So for me, it means that I must focus more on multi photos. Multi photos are working for me. So you have to go and check something like this on your Facebook to check what is working for you, because sometimes you might find out that you are focusing on something that is not working for you. Just go and find which one is working for you, invest your time on it. Let me check my engagement, and let me show you how you can also check your engagement. This will help you reply to a comment. So here is my comment, this is my engagement. So sometimes on my free time I just go through my comment and I reply. Let me show you how many engagement that I've got on my page right now. So the more people react or comment or share your videos or post, it falls under engagement. So the more people are doing those things, is the one that will help you get paid more when it comes to Facebook.